Everyone back, right?
Yes, I have dropped message in the group.
Shankar, Ajay, Dave, Suresh, are you there? Okay, let's wait for 5 minutes. Then we can start. Okay. Yeah, hi everyone. I think we should start. Share my screen. Is it visible?
Yes, it is visible.
Yes, yes.
Thank you. So at first we are gonna install the Docker. So for in Windows to install the Docker, there are actually some constraints. So here it is like the system requirements. So for everyone has Windows 10 or 11. Okay. So for me
I have
actually,
Windows 8.1.
yeah. Okay. So for Windows 8.1, okay, I'll go there after some time. So suppose for Windows 10 64-bit, we have to check for this build. I mean, check for these requirements and the 64-bit processor with 4 GB system RAM and BIOS level hardware virtualization should be enabled. So we can, if you press Windows R and click here, just type it WinBar. So we can see that our version is 21H1 OS build is 20043 or higher. So it's matching correct. And for the second one, like the virtualization should be enabled. Check from here. Performance. See that yes, this level virtual BIOS level virtualization is enabled. See, I have downloaded. You can download the Docker or from here. We downloaded it. After the downloading, can anyone share the screen as Windows 10? Can anyone share? Because I mean,
Should
actually,
we use something else or only Docker desktop is fine?
sorry.
Is the only Docker desktop download is fine, or should we install something like WSL2? This kind
Yeah,
of things.
no, Docker install is okay, but there are one step when you click, I mean, when you run this application, okay, then there is one thing, this one, WSL2 backend. So you have
Right.
to go for this one also. So they will give a link and you have to go through the step. I mean, you have to go through that step by step.
After installing this one only, right? After installing Docker desktop only, we can go to that, right?
Yeah, yes.
Oh,
So there are some commands we have to run in PowerShell, and we have to open PowerShell as administrator. So that's why I'm.
yeah.
If
Right
anyone,
now I'm installing the Docker desktop.
yeah, okay. Can you share your screen?
I hope it is visible, right?
Yes, it is visible.
Even this.
Yeah.
My system will be slow.
Yeah, it's okay. Do you have Windows 10?
It's 8.2.
Okay, so I think for 8.1 there is something else. Okay, let's,
Someone can share, then that is fine.
yeah, I mean there is something called Docker Toolbox for 8.1. Okay, for you, you have the 8.1, right?
Yeah.
So yes, I mean for Docker for Windows you can't I think install in 8.1. So you have to use that there is something called Docker Toolbox, and that is a I mean that is suitable for 8.1. So
Is it kind of another application?
not another application, but it's like a uh,
Add-on.
clone, something called you can think is as a okay, okay. You can think of it as a clone of that clone of that I mean of this Docker for Windows 10. That is I mean, and one thing is more there, like it is a legacy for using Docker Toolbox to in 8.1. So that's
It's
why,
okay. I have another system on my office system. I can use that for learning purpose, which I can't share the session, but at least I can follow the
yeah,
session through that.
okay, okay.
That's not an issue.
Yeah, so can anybody, I mean, can anybody share his screen who has the Windows 10 in his system or 11? Uh, so this is some people, Vinaya, Rajanna, Shankar. I mean, it will be easy to then go through the steps actually because I have already installed Docker in my Windows. Okay, just a minute.
Akash, I have Windows 10.
Yeah, you can check. Like, can you share your screen?
Yeah, I'm just downloading that Docker software. Yeah,
Yeah.
it is done.
Okay.
I'll share my screen.
Yeah. Okay.
You have to change the setting here for this one. Yeah.
Sorry. Sorry. I mean, in which step you are there?
First step only. This one, the Docker I have downloaded. I'm just installing.
Okay,
You can see the screen.
yeah, I can see the screen. You downloaded the Docker?
Yeah, I downloaded it.
Yeah, just click on, just install it.
Yeah, I started it. It is telling it is not verified.
Okay,
Yeah,
then you can change my app recommendation setting. You can change the Microsoft Store only recommended, uh, the first option. Anywhere. Can you start now?
that virtual environment setup that we'll do later or soon?
Yeah, I'll go through that also.
Okay.
I'll
Hello?
Yes.
I want to install Docker for Mac and try to do it on Mac as I have a Mac machine. Would the same steps hold good?
Uh, no, for Mac, there is some different steps actually.
Then what do you suggest? Shall I just sit through the class and then connect with you sometime about the Mac? Because I think most of them have Windows here.
Okay, you can.
Okay, thank you.
Who's sharing the screen? I think who's sharing? Hello.
Yeah, do you want me to share my screen? I'm from Mac. No, right?
Yes, but I just asked that who is sharing the screen? I think it is connected, right? Yeah, okay. You can share the screen.
No, I have Mac. It's not installed. Docker is not installed.
Yeah, okay. I mean, did you downloaded it, right?
Yeah, the DMG file I have downloaded.
Okay, and did you started the installation?
It is starting.
Okay, okay. And who is sharing the screen for Windows? I just forgot his name actually.
Yeah, the system got restarted.
Yeah,
I'm just sharing the screen.
yeah, okay. Just now click on that link. I mean, we have to install that WSL2. So basically, this is the main challenge. Okay. So okay, you can close this now. I mean, you can close this now.
First, cancel it.
Yeah. So go to your PowerShell.
Command prompt. Huh?
Yes, but no, no, no. Just comment from not. I mean, just go to your PowerShell and run it as administrator. You can search there. Okay. Is it started as administrator?
Yeah, administrator.
Yeah. Okay. Then you can.
After him, I will share my screen. It's installed and it's running.
Yeah. Okay. No, no, no. From the step one, you have to go. So copy and run this. Okay, I think it is not opened as administrator here. Can you search here? Just yes. Yeah, now you have to go for the second step. I mean, can you minimize this?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I mean for 64-bit system and version 1903. Okay, so we have to uh, uh, scroll down. Yeah, we have to now run this one. Can you copy it and run it again?
Which
The
one?
step, I mean the step three, in step three.
Step 3. Okay.
Okay, now download that Linux kernel update package for 64 missing. And just click on that link.
This one.
Uh, no, no, no. You have the 64, right? 64 bit.
Yeah, 64-bit.
Yeah, Windows 10, 64 bit and 21H1 1903, right? Can you check? Just start the task manager. More details. Click on the performance. Oh, sorry. Yeah, click on the performance. Yeah, okay. Sorry. Actually, this one is the virtualization is enabled, and for checking the version, just click. I mean, press the Windows button and R and write WinVar WINVER. Yeah. Okay. 21H2 19044. Okay, that will be okay. So you have to download that Linux kernel updated package. No, not this one, the upper one.
This one. Okay.
Yeah, this one. And after downloaded is completing, and after download is complete, then just run that one.
Okay.
Okay. Now just copy the step 5 and see what happens. Run it into the PowerShell. Okay. Now you have to again restart your computer.
Okay, let's start.
Yeah, and the thing is, just one thing, Prem,
Yeah.
and after that restarting, okay, you have to go the in Microsoft Store.
Okay.
Yeah, can you go for the step 6? I mean, yeah. So you have to go to the Microsoft Store, and you can download for the Linux distribution here, like 20.04 or 18.04. 20.04 will be okay. Okay.
You want to?
Yeah. So,
Okay.
and one thing, can you go to the back? Can you please go back? I mean, from here, and can you give this link to the chat box? I mean, this page
Yes.
link. Yeah.
Hmm.
So basically, this is the main thing. We have to go for the Windows 10. Okay. And Prem, after start, you just get download it. Okay. And then you can launch your install Linux distribution in your PC. Okay. And that will be open. I mean, that will also open your Docker. Okay. And you don't have the problem. I mean, suppose if sometimes there are problems like WSL2, I mean, from this conversion WSL1 to WSL2. So you can try one more thing, like you have to uninstall the Docker and go through, I mean, follow the steps from the beginning. Okay.
Okay.
So
This one, how do we download it?
no, yeah, I mean, you are not signed in, right?
No, I have to sign
Yeah.
in. Okay.
Yeah. So, and please, everyone, go through this step, and if there's any problem, like then you can just uninstall it and try it from the first. And
Okay.
sometimes there is some problem like I mean, not package, like for this distribution, and I mean, it is not known for, I mean, I don't know also that what will happen or what will come, but I mean, we should check in Google and try to fix it. Okay. So basically, this is the basic steps for downloading the Docker and installing the Docker in Windows 10. And for Windows 8, we have to install, I mean, we don't have, I mean, we can't install Docker desktop for 8.1. So we have to use their Docker toolbox, and I'll share the link in the chat box. Okay. So, and just give me a minute. And Prem, you can restart your computer and to check is it okay or not. Yeah. Okay, Prem. You there, Prem? Or really very sorry for the background noise. But I am, please try everyone, and if there is any problem, let me know. Can but I am giving here a
Akash, meanwhile, can you please let me know means how the Docker YAML file or Docker file is written means what is the uh, structure means so little bit I'm little confused in that part. So if you could just explain me, so it would be better. Meanwhile,
so
everyone is downloading and installing that thing. Could you please show me that part if you are aware of it?
Sorry, I didn't get your question actually. I mean, can you repeat?
YAML file or Docker file? Docker YAML file or yeah, Docker file? Do you know means how to write that thing? What are the format? Or even if there is a document, it's better. Means I would just go through that document also, because I'm not getting a proper documents for that. If I have to create my own container.
Okay, so basically, uh, I think I didn't understand properly, but what I think that I'll make a Docker file. I mean, can you ask this to Devjyoti sir? I mean, I'm not too much aware of
Sorry.
this. I mean, can you ask this to Devjyoti? I mean, I
Okay,
am
will
not
do.
aware of this totally.
Okay, okay,
Okay,
will do. No
yeah,
problem.
okay, thank you. Okay, I'm not sharing, I'm giving a link of GitHub. Prem, is it okay? Can you open the store from your computer? Okay, now just check for developer tools. Yeah, just Ubuntu. Okay. Uh, just search for Ubuntu, LTS, something like that. Yeah, 20.04. Uh, 20.04. Yeah, 22 will be okay. What happened? I'm not able to hear.
Sorry, version version 20.04 you told, no?
Yeah, yeah, that will be okay.
20.04, right?
Yes, yes. Am I audible clearly?
Yeah, yeah. Now I can hear you.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Okay, and after the download will complete, and I mean, you will restart your computer. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So please, everyone go through these steps, and there will be any problem, let me know. And sharing my screen. Okay, we'll create a Docker file. So that's why. Is it visible now? Is it visible?
Yes.
Yeah, Akash.
So I give a link on the GitHub. GitHub. Okay, the chat. Can everyone open it? Okay, so basically I'm demonstrating. Okay, so I downloaded this the zip file. Okay, and after downloading, I unzip it and stored it here. Okay. So we are going to deploy and run this predict house plans. The data here is this one. Okay, yeah, sorry. So now we are going to create the virtual environment, Anaconda prompt.
Akash, your voice is low. We can't hear you clear.
Is it okay now? I mean, sorry, but
Yeah. Now I can hear.
okay. So basically, now you're in the our base, but we have to create the virtual environment. And what is virtual environment? Like virtual environment is a, I mean, when we want to do something in from the scratch, okay, and the virtual environment is a tool. I mean, it is an environment that helps to keep dependencies required for that particular project, and it is separated from any other things or any other projects, and we are creating a isolated Python virtual environments for every particular project. I mean, we can do that. Okay, so at first if we have to create the virtual environment, suppose we are gonna do this like this predict house prices. So we have to go in this directory. Okay, and now just pip install virtual env. Okay, so our virtual environment is installed, and after that we will create a virtual environment with any name like virtual env, and the name of the environment. Okay, so suppose I am giving the name as venv, so it will create the virtual environment, but in that folder. Okay,
Akash,
So yeah,
I just
please.
want to interrupt here. So I have installed my Docker. Now I am thinking where I need to put all these things. Can I share my screen and can you help me with that?
Yeah, okay. I mean, I can try because I
Okay.
don't have experience in Mac. Okay, your Docker is okay.
Now where do I put what you're trying to tell me?
No, you don't have to do anything. Your Docker is ready actually.
Okay.
Yeah,
So whatever commands you're showing now, where
that
do
is
I
for
have to put that?
Windows 10, 11. So basically, Docker installation is little bit hectic for Windows. Sometimes there will some problem. The Microsoft Store will not open. The Linux distribution will not download it, and so
Just
that.
highlight it when you're starting off with the actual codes.
Sorry, I didn't get you. Yeah, that one you can just search in Google that Docker for Mac. Then you can see there like Docker for I mean Mac with Intel chip, Mac with Apple chip.
Yeah, I have installed it and
Yeah,
it's running now.
Akash, she's not asking
I
for
mean,
that. She has already installed it. She's asking for the commands which would help her to create the Docker. Nothing else. Means Docker
Yeah.
execute, Docker images, Docker PSA. She's asking that thing. She's not
Yes.
asking how to install. She has already done the installation.
yeah, I know she has done the already installation, but I didn't get her question. Okay,
Okay.
so that's why. Yeah, and the Docker run, you can run, there is a sample in the Docker. You just paste it and run it in your command prompt. It will run the container. Okay. So there is a sample, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, just paste it and run your command prompt. Run in your command prompt. The Docker will, I mean, the
The
container.
the Mac command prompt,
Yeah, Mac command
the
prompt.
Anaconda command prompt.
Yeah, Mac command. Mac. Yeah.
Okay, it is telling unable to. Okay, okay, it is trying to do it.
Mhm.
Thank you.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Can I share my screen now?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Yeah.
So now whatever commands you're showing now, should I put that in the terminal?
This is this should be in the Anaconda prompt. I
Okay,
mean, for
okay.
this virtual environment, right? You are talking about?
Yes.
Yeah, that will be in Anaconda prompt.
So whatever you're showing now, I got to put it in the Anaconda prompt.
Mhm. For that particular GitHub, I mean, I send the link in chat.
Yes, yes. Okay, I'll do that. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, so we have installed the virtual environment, and after that, we I mean, we created a virtual environment named with VENV. Now you have to activate it. So, okay, sorry. So in VENV, no, sorry, in scripts, there is a file called activate to activate this environment. So this is a more generic way to activate the virtual environment. So VENV. So we are activating our virtual environment through this command. And if we run this command, then we can see that the base will now there will be a virtual environment side by side that will be VENV. Okay, so just a minute. I'll put it in chat box. Okay, so now in this folder there is a requirement Python requirement .txt. Okay, so there is pandas, numpy, flask, and scikit-learn. We have to install. I mean, we have to install. Then what you can do is just pip install, and all those things will be installed in our virtual environment. So basically, for particular this project, I mean, suppose the predict house prices. So for particular this project, we have created a virtual environment, and all those packages and all those dependencies will be in this virtual environment. That will separate us from, suppose if we are creating another project like predict cells, that will keep different and isolated. So that is the main work for virtual environment. Okay. So the all the dependency now, I mean all the packages installed in that virtual environment. Okay. So now there is a .py file like server.py to create the server and get the data and retrieve that data and show the for showing the result. And there is a also a .py file prediction.py, and that is for using our data to, I mean, we are passing the gradient boosting regression. I mean, the data we are passing through that, and we are fitting that model and returning that prediction. So suppose for one thing, I mean, suppose for one row of data. So now what you can do, I mean, as our server.py is for the creating the server. Just a second. Sorry. Okay, so we are going to run the Python that file server.py. So that will create the server and up that server particular.
Akash, just 1 second, I need a little help. I'll share my screen. So here, how do I open the terminal lab? I just know how to open the Jupyter notebook. Hello?
Am I audible now? Sorry, I was talking on mute. Uh, I mean, you can search it here like prompt, Anaconda prompt. Not here actually. I mean, in your own machine.
No, I do not have it. Should I
Okay,
install it?
so no, you don't have to install it. I mean, uh, how did you open the prompt? I mean, the prompt for Mac?
Here.
Yeah, how did you do that? Actually, I don't have any experience in Mac, so that's why.
Okay, then don't worry. I'll try to figure it out. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, Akash, I installed the Docker. Can you just check once?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, your Docker is installed. So just copy it. Okay.
This
This
one.
one, Docker. Yeah, this one. And run it in command prompt. Yeah, it is running, right?
Yes. Okay, running.
Okay. And we'll come to that these all Docker files and we have to run and how to deploy these Docker files into the Microsoft Azure. That will be in the next class. So basically we are creating the Docker file for particular this project. I mean what I'm showing before that is the predict house prices. Okay.
Yeah. That
And
virtual environment, I think I missed it. Can you just share me the that one command?
yeah, I
Okay, it is there, na?
yes.
Okay, I'll try that.
Yeah, just try it on the prompt.
Hmm.
This is up now. Let's say it from here. And after that, you have to again open a Anaconda prompt and go to this. You have to go to this directory and now you can see that there is a command here like this one. So the call exposed each content type JSON to predict JSON. So there is a file here to predict JSON.json. That file is nothing. So we are giving the data to that through this file and we are expected the output. I mean after the I mean we have already created the model. Okay, so that is on the, sorry, that is on the prediction pile. Okay, so we just have to run this command and check if the proper outcome is there or not. Yeah, so you can see the proper output. Okay, so as we have installed, I mean the Docker, and I already have installed the Docker, so we will create uh, this thing in a, I mean we'll create a container and do the container, I mean we'll create that container for I mean all of this project, I mean I mean what container is something like that, a packager which packages all these things, I mean these whole branch of dependencies and packages and all those things. So basically
Akash, I figured out that part. So actually, I need to run everything in the Apple terminal itself. There is no separate Anaconda terminal. So can you just, I just ran the last command that you have given me, curl. I use the curl command. Uh,
it's this one.
yeah, should I do the Docker compose build first?
That will create your Docker container. So that will take some
Should I
time
do
and
that first?
sorry,
What should I do first?
I mean you can create the virtual environment and this I mean the server creation, and after that this localhost given, I mean what you have, the localhost and the to predict JSON file you have to put there to get the prediction.
Do you have a text file where all these commands are kept?
No, I'll make it and send it to you. Okay, I mean send it in this chat.
Yes, thank you.
So basically from this we are creating the container from, I mean for this particular project, and if we run this it will take time. Okay, so it is running. Okay, and it will take some time, like sometimes it takes, I mean for me it is taking like 40 to 45 minutes. I don't know why, but yeah. So can anybody share his screen and just repeat these steps? Just run that particular GitHub project file that is price, I mean predict house prices. So
Akash, I can share the screen. That will really help me.
yeah, okay.
So now I'm in this folder.
Mhm. Okay. Can you just go to the predict house price? I mean, in the command prompt, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Yes, I'm in that.
Yeah, okay. Now try to create that virtual environment.
What's the command?
Pip install virtual env. I mean, is it working in Mac? Yeah.
Yes, done.
Okay. Now just type virtual env and your virtual, I mean your environment name. I mean, whatever you like. Just
Anything? Okay,
yeah.
done.
Okay. Okay. You can see that in your folder, like there is a
Yeah, I got it.
Yash. Uh,
Should I navigate to that?
no, no, no. Don't type. Okay. Just now, just activate this environment. I mean, VNV.
Is it VENV?
Oh, no, no. Sorry, sorry. Yash. For you, it is Yash.
Okay.
I don't know. Can you check in lib or bin where is the activate?
This one?
Yeah, no, this one. I mean, below. Scroll down. I mean, down. Yeah, just uh, the upper one of the PEEP3. Upper one from PEEP3. That is the file. You can see the PEEP3, right? I mean, yeah, that one.
Okay.
Yeah, just you have to. No. Uh, just keep it here. I mean, what trying to say that you have to activate that. I mean, you have created the virtual environment. Then now you have to activate that virtual environment. No, activate will not work here. Like you can
Over,
VENV.
over here, you
Sorry,
have to use
Yash.
source. Command is source, Akash.
Sorry, actually, I mean there is too much noise. I can't hear properly. Sorry, Shankar, you were saying something.
In Mac, it's source. To activate, you have to use source.
Okay, okay.
Source your environment name /bin/activate.
Okay.
Yashashni, source your environment name
Yash. Yes.
/bin/activate /activate. Yep, yep,
Yeah,
is
thank you.
activated.
Thank you,
Enjoy.
sir. Okay, now you have to there is a Python requirements.txt file, right, in that folder. So you have to install it. No, uh, pip install -r should be there.
Next step.
Okay. Next step, you have to run that server.py file to create that. I mean to create that server up that. Just type python server.py.
Python server.py.
Yeah, you have that file in the predict house prices.
This
Python.
one, this one. Okay.
Yeah, this one.
Has it created some flash stuff? It's taking time to work, right?
Yeah, yeah. It will take some time.
Anything I have to do now?
No, it is start date. Okay. So what you can do is just copy that HTTP 127.0.0.1 5000, and you can search that URL in Google Chrome. So you can see that there will be a there will be a text that server is up. Uh, the running on. Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible. What do I do see in Google Chrome?
There will be a message like server is up. Okay.
Hmm.
Just copy that HTTP 127. Yeah.
We have to take house price, right, Akash?
Yes. 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 So
Let me just summarize here. We had the Jupyter notebook for house price. Now we have created a container and we have created a
no,
Docker.
no. We are not yet created a container Docker.
Then what did we do till now?
We will create that. Uh, I mean, now you have to just do that. For that particular, there is a file to predict. I mean, can you go to the folder?
Okay.
Yeah, from there is a file. Uh, yeah, for prediction Docker file. Okay, so what you can do is now just open a new prompt. Not here. The server is running here, right? Yeah, okay. Can you go to that GitHub page?
Um, Akash, before running the server.py, was there some another command which I have to execute?
Yes, yeah. I mean, just install that Python requirements.txt.
Okay.
Okay. So basically, can you copy the third command? Yeah, curl expose. The third one. The third one. Sorry, sorry. Go to the GitHub page. Okay, and the command after or. And change the localhost to no, it will not because your localhost is 5,000. So try it 5,000. No, no, yeah, that one. Yeah, you can see. Okay, and in one more way, what you can do is just create a file in that folder. I mean, just any file. Okay. So JSON file is there for Mac, right? I mean, how can we save JSON in Mac? I don't know actually.
What do you want to save?
I just want to say that in Windows we did that, right? I mean, in Notepad, just write
Yeah, you
something.
can. Okay, over here, Yashishri, do you have some applications like Sublime, Notepad, anything? Yashishni, you can
Let's
even
say,
use VM. That's a common command, Vim or VI. Yashishni, what application you have in your system? Atom, just check Atom whether Atom is there.
What? 80 AM? Atom?
ATOM. ATOM.
No, I have not don't
No.
have.
Okay, so you don't have any Notepad. Okay, just check for Notepad. Search. It won't work over here. Just click on search button. Just click for search. It's on top beside a Wi-Fi. This thing icon. Just check for Atom. No. Okay, just type note. Just type note. Okay, just go to notes. Even that's okay. This is not for coding, but this is just for your reference. Click over here, and you can just add that JSON.
This.
Uh, okay, yeah, copy that thing.
Okay, super. I got it. I got it.
no, no, you don't have to copy this one actually.
Or you can just do via edit if you want to open the file.
Nothing is. Which file should I open?
Where is your that note?
This is not. This is a output response, right, Akash?
Sorry,
Akash, this is a response.
which one? This
Akash,
predict cost. Yeah, hello. Am I audible?
yeah, this is a response.
This predict cost, right?
No, no, this is a response, right? What she is getting is a response. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, but I'm able to understand. I mean, what are you talking
Your
about?
voice is breaking actually. Uh, are you able to hear him? Means I am unable to hear Akash properly. His voice is too feeble.
Now is it okay? Hello?
Yeah, yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, what I am telling that just I mean, can you go to the GitHub page? I mean, we can run it here like that, or we can do another way. We can do it another way. So I am just supposed to tell that the second way to run this actually. So can you go to the GitHub page? I don't know. I mean, I think there is some network issue here actually due to heavy rain. I don't know. So I'm not sure I'm able to. If I'm clear or
No, that's
not.
fine. But what you want to do means if I'm means I
Yeah,
can just
what I
help
want
her.
to do is just okay. So basically, we have the output, right? Predict cost. Okay. So
Right.
basically, that is one way. Okay, and I am going to told that we can get that same output, but in another way. Okay. So
Okay.
we'll yeah. So that's why. I mean, there is a file called. Can you scroll up a little bit? So basically, this is our test data. Okay, I mean sorry, this is what from we are predicting the cost, grade, latitude, longitude, and the square feet living, waterfront, and year built. Okay, so what I am trying to tell is that just copy this thing and put it in a JSON file in that predict house prices folder. Am I clear now?
Okay. You want to just paste the JSON file in the JSON file, right? So
Yeah,
once.
I just want to copy
Uh,
this thing, create waterfront, year built, this whole thing, and put it in a JSON file.
okay. Yashishini, do vi. Just write vi yashishini.json or price.json. Open that file and paste this thing. It would means yeah. Insert I print click I, sorry. Yeah. Save it. WQ.
No, no, no. Not this predict cost. That what I told, that one from the GitHub page. That will
Just
be our
open the GitHub.
feature, right?
Okay. Yashashri, please do the thing.
Can't we remove it? This predict cost.
Q dollar. Q is sorry, exclamation.
Okay. Now go to the GitHub page. Yeah, just copy that one. Yeah, and save it. Now you can save it.
Shankar, how to save? I've forgotten everything about Vim.
Sorry, what you want to
Actually,
save? WQ. Escape. Click escape button. Colon WQ. WQ.
Sorry, I have forgotten everything in
Okay,
Vim.
it's okay. It's fine. After means if you don't work for 1 month or 1 week now, you will forget. That's a common thing in Linux.
So now I have the JSON. What do I do with it?
yeah. Do you have it in? So you have the JSON file in your folder. So
Yes.
basically, now go to the GitHub page again
Hmm?
and
Yes.
just copy the upper one, called expose to predict this one. Paste it. Okay, run it because your file name is different here, right? Your file name is price v2.json and there it is to predict JSON. So just change it and change the localhost also. No, yeah, try speed to. So same thing. You can do it
Yeah.
in.
Yeah.
Oh, you can. What you can do now? You can do the Docker buildup. I mean, to create the container.
Should I do the compose build?
Yeah. Able to see your screen because uh, I don't know. Yeah, distortion is there.
What happened? What
Uh,
happened?
no, okay, now it's okay. Yeah, actually, I mean, I don't know, but some distortion is there actually when I mean I mean, for her screen.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know why.
Akash, one question for you. Now I have created one virtual environment, say name Akash. Okay. So what would be my folder structure for my code? Okay, because I'm always stuck in that part, and now I have to change it from Akash to Shankar. Okay, so I created another environment called Shankar, which has another Python version. Okay, so now how to will it be having two virtual environment on the fly? Because as per activation, it would be only one. But will that file would contain both Akash and Shankar's data?
Can you share your screen actually, or just you? No, you are not audible actually. Totally.
Okay, I'm not audible.
Yeah, now you are audible. So I mean,
Okay, one.
but I tell just, can you share your screen just?
Yeah, one sec. I'll just share my screen and let me open my path so you
Okay.
come to know what actually I'm saying. Just a minute. Mhm. Streamline, streamline, streamline. I'm unable to share. I'm using this one. What to say? Web. So I'm unable to share. Or do I require some permission? Stancy, who is the intern over here? Hello, who is the intern?
Sir, we can't see your screen.
Yeah, I'm. I don't have access to do that thing. That's the reason. I'm using web.
Oh,
Is it because of that?
uh, 1 second, sir. Let me check if you're a presenter.
My name is Shankar.
Yeah, sir. Can you please try using the app?
I can't because I'm using my company's laptop, and
Okay.
my laptop has been scrapped off.
Okay, sir. Let me check.
My name is Shankar.
Yes, sir. Yes.
I got the access. One second. Um, what's his name? Akash, is it visible now?
Yeah, it is visible.
Hello, Akash.
Yeah, it is visible now. Am I audible?
Yeah, yeah. Now, if I'm going via this one, let me open the thing. Set sketchbook means. Okay. So over here there is this environment is there. So file has to be written in main dot in this folder structure where it has to be written. That I'm a little confused for that. How to set up that thing? Hello,
Can you
am I
just...
audible?
Yeah, you are audible. Can you just repeat?
See, main dot py file is a Python file is a main file over here. So I have to write. I'm just asking a folder structure. When I've created some environment, okay. So means I have to dump all my files in this parallel with main dot py file, or is this some another folder where I have to dump that thing data? If I'm using PyCharm, because if I'm using Sublime, it I don't have to worry for that. It works directly. But in PyCharm, I'm facing that problem.
Okay, I think it should be on main.py. I'm not
In
sure
parallel,
about
Python is
this.
see now if I'm creating some another folder, say directory, say test. Okay, so it's a scheme in parallel with this one. No, it should be in Streamlight.
So basically, I mean, when you're creating a project, okay,
That's the thing. Means I'm just confused over here. It's not working.
so your VNV should be on the your project folder, right?
Yeah. So that this was output of my thing. So folder structure should be over here only, right?
Yeah, I think, I mean, I'm not
Because
sure.
I'm just getting confused because what had happened that I have previously I did not had an idea of the virtual environment, so I'd installed all the packages outside. So now it's working with the help of virtual environment or is it working directly? I'm not aware because I have done it global installation global, so it's getting used everywhere. Even if it's not in virtual environment, it's getting used. That's my
Okay,
problem.
so okay. So the thing is actually, if you want to, I mean, if you using the global thing, okay, then that will affect your all those things. So basically,
Exactly.
virtual environment is for just isolate that project from your global thing. Okay, so basically,
So how to
when
do
you're...
that? How
Yeah,
to do
just
that thing?
create. I mean, suppose if you are creating a project like for YOLO V5, suppose the
Uh-huh.
car edit for car detection. Okay, so
Hmm.
basically you all have all those things like the notebooks and .py files, and just create
Hmm.
that virtual environment in that particular folder.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay. So basically that will be, I mean, whatever your packages are, so that will be installed in your particular for that project in that folder. Okay, so
I
that,
did that thing. I did that thing. I did that thing. But even though it's capturing the global packages, it's taking the global packages. That's my problem. It's still accepting the global package only.
okay, I mean, how can you assure that thing? It is taking that global packages.
Now, see, that means I've created a new environment called Streamlight, so ML price. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and I have not run my this requirement file, and it got executed. This is a new this thing, right? The ML price is a new one, newer one. Okay, I'll just deactivate
Yes.
it again. One second. Okay, it's not deactivate. Conda, just Conda. Deactivate. Probably it might be the case. This one. Um, oh, it has not taken. It was taken Conda thing. Okay, okay, got you. It on Conda I had installed a virtual environment. That was the problem. I think so I got the issue.
Okay, okay, okay.
Hmm, oh, this one is not working. Okay, I'll just check the reason. Okay, I'll just look into this issue and resolve it. No worry.
Yeah,
But
okay.
so now if I have a folder in PyCharm, this one, so I just have to create an environment over here only, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay, and
Can we take a small break and come back?
yeah, okay.
At what time should we come back?
4:30 or
Okay.
Hi everyone. Hi Shankar. Is it working now? I'm not able to hear you.
Sorry.
Yeah, I mean, I asked that, is it working now? I mean,
Yeah, it started working.
yeah, okay. And Yashashwani, what about you? Hey, hi, Yashashwani. Okay, just one thing. I mean, do you have any question on virtual environment? And if you want to run that GitHub with the Docker creation, I mean Docker compose. Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
So, everyone compose or install the Docker or the GitHub.
Not yet. Let me just execute that part. One second.
Yeah, that will take time. Okay,
Yeah,
so
I know.
yeah,
You wanted Docker run from a YAML file or Docker file?
no, Docker file. Okay, and for the 8.1, the Docker toolbox, what you can do is you can send the mail to Debjyoti sir. Okay, so if possible, we'll connect and for the toolbox, we'll see. I mean, how can we install it in 8.1? And for the Docker purpose, Shankar, or suppose, I mean, I forgot the name, but someone asked that the Docker file and YML file, something like that.
Yeah,
So, yes, Shankar, you right?
yeah.
Yeah. So, okay, if any question is there, like for the Docker, can you consolidate in a document file or in something like that? So, and send the mail to Debjyoti sir.
Okay.
So we can discuss the thing in next session.
Okay. I'll just try to create one. This one, XML Excel file, where I will just write the doubts. Okay.
Yeah, okay,
And
okay.
then
That
as
will,
it would be better for everyone how to work
yeah,
on it. Okay.
yeah, okay, sure. And if there is any question for today's, I mean, what we did with that GitHub.
That's okay. I'm fine with that.
Yeah, and any question from virtual environment?
Virtual environment, I had that doubt regarding the apartment what you have spoken. Means apartment and you are saying some package of I don't know name S something S. So I just got confused in that part. Why you want in um, that way? That was little confusing for me.
What
But that's
what
okay.
ab-
Means I can just go through the recordings again, and I will just check the problem. What what I missed.
yeah,
That's fine.
okay. Yeah, okay, okay. And just one thing, I mean, everyone, please install the Docker because in next session, we will deploy the Docker, I mean, container in Microsoft Azure. So please, everyone,
Yeah.
please install the Docker. And the one thing, I mean, Shankar, please consolidate the questions for, I mean, any question like from virtual environment or Docker, some anything.
Okay.
So please send the mail
Yeah.
to
Sure.
it. Okay.
Yeah, I'll surely do that thing. I will send it to the Niran or Sinchan. She would just drop revert to you. Means she would just redirect the mail to you.
Yeah, okay,
Okay.
okay. Yeah, okay,
Yeah.
sure.
I think so. This will take time. This is what it has actually. This one.
Yeah, that will take time. I mean, it is not completed for me yet. I don't know why.
No, but what it has means how much applications you are trying to install. That's the main thing. One thing.
Okay, for the Docker one,
Yeah.
I mean, you are talking about the Docker installation?
Right. Right. Yeah.
Yes, okay. And please download the Docker desktop. Who-
No, no. I'm already running on Docker only. I work on Docker only. My
okay, okay.
complete projects are on
No, no.
Docker.
Yeah,
So
I'm.
you're just doing the Python installation, nothing else. Okay, Python requirements. I have to check the Python requirements.
Yeah, and I'm just. I'm telling everyone that please install the Docker, and we have because in next session we'll go I mean, we'll deploy that container to Microsoft Azure. So
Okay,
that's why.
it's giving me error. Okay, invalid syntax while doing run py one. Let me share
Invalid
my
set.
screen.
Okay, that is for in the line Python requirement .txt, right?
Yeah,
Can you share this?
Python requirements are only pandas, numpy, flask, and sklearn, scikit-learn. Nothing else.
Okay, just give me. Okay, there is a folder. I mean, in that folder there is a file called Docker file, right? Hello, Shankar.
Yeah, yeah, you're audible. One second. I'm just
No,
opening that
just
file.
yeah.
This is the last one. You have only added Flask. I'm not run this. I have run this Docker file. I've run
Yes,
this one.
yes. Yes. I can you go to the folder, please?
Which folder?
Manual. That house prediction. I mean the predict house prices. That folder.
Yeah, I'm in that only.
Yeah. I mean you can go manually. Okay. So
Going to open some file.
yeah. I mean you can go manually. Yeah. Here is a Docker file, right? Okay.
Yeah, this one.
Okay. Okay. Can you change that 16.04 to 20.04 and save that from
16
first line.
point.
20.04. No, 16 point not. I mean, remove that 16 and just 20.04. Yeah, save that file now. Yeah, and run it again. I think it should work.
I told you there's a line over your problem over here.
Yeah, now it is working. I think it will work.
I think so.
Because that person is right? Even right. That's
Are you using mic or sorry, mic or headset?
no, actually, I mean earphones. Why? I mean, is there
No,
any
because your
problem?
voice. No, because your voice was little bit. Where is that thing?
Is it working? Now?
I think so. It got crashed. I think so.
Okay, so
Yeah, this one. Mm, execution failed. Running this one. It failed.
yes, great.
I was doing R&D. I'm not sure. Did it work or not?
Yes, Shankar. Shankar, I think it will work now. I mean, made some changes, right? Hello, am I audible? Hello, hello, am I audible?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah. Okay. Okay. I think it will work now. I mean, you have made some changes, right? And
yeah.
one thing, yes, but one thing is, if there is any error, can you, I mean, please send that to me. I mean, that will be good for me also. I mean, I'll check that
You
error.
you want to check our errors? Huh? Yeah, surely I will send you the thing. If
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
able to
that will be.
resolve it, even I will send you the solution also. No
Yeah,
worry.
yeah, okay. Yeah, because in my laptop it is working with the changes like 20.0, so that will be good for me. I will also check for that error also.
Sure,
Yeah,
sure. Let
okay.
me check. Means I think so. It would take time.
It will take time actually. Yeah, okay. And just consolidate that questions all and send
Sure,
to
sure.
efficiency. Okay. And I am
Yep.
dropping my mail in the chat. Okay, my mail ID. So please keep me in a loop. Okay.
Sure. Will do. Shall we conclude the session? Or
Yeah, I think I mean it will take time, like
yeah, this will take time.
30
This
or
will take nearly half an hour. This will
yeah,
take
yeah,
nearly half an hour.
yes, yes.
Guys,
So
what about others? Shall we conclude the call? Yashashini,
Yes, yes, yes. My kid is also waiting.
Yeah, Shankar, go ahead.
okay. Thanks, Akshay. Akash, sorry.
yeah,
Thank you,
thank
Akash.
you. Yeah, thank
Bye.
you every. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Yeah, bye. Thank you.